Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect with earth and sky. You are guided to connect with the beauty of your heart. You are guided to understand that in moments of uncertainty or in moments of confusion, you have the power to connect with your wisdom, to decide for you and yourself what your truth is, which direction to move, what choice to make. And we acknowledge that there's so much information outside of us that we can draw upon by choice or that we receive from others. And sometimes we can get a little muddled or confused because of all of this information or outside input. We strengthen our own energy. And in doing so and practicing this, we know that we can hear and receive information outside of ourselves, yet we can decide what we take in as our own truth. And in this meditation, you will ask a question, something that you might feel confused or uncertain about, and practice listening in and receiving the wisdom of your heart. Enjoy this meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music. Turn your outer gaze inward and let's drop into our meditation. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your physical body relax and rest. We set the intention of deep relaxation, opening our hearts, aligning with source energy, and receiving the wisdom that lives within us. Through this alignment with divine love, we become attuned and connected. We become energized, abundant. We feel connected to ourselves and all. We take this time to rest daily in order to grow and evolve and expand and create beautiful lives that we love, where we feel good in each moment, where we feel alive in each moment, where we appreciate life as our beautiful gift to mold and shape. Take several deep breaths and hear yourself as you breathe. Can you slow your exhale even more? At the bottom of your next exhale, feel your roots grow, grow, grow deep, deep, deep into the earth. Visualize the hands of Mother Earth holding you strong and sturdy, belonging and connected to Earth. Breathe with the earth We say thank you to Mother Earth for breathing with us, breathing through us. We remember that we are one with the earth. We come from the earth and we will return to the earth. Feel your connection to the sky, to the sun, to source energy. Visualize these beautiful golden rays coming down and seeping through your crown, your skin, your pores, through you. We even turn our head up a little, and almost as if we're basking in this glorious sunshine. We can open our palms and say thank you. We're open, we're receptive, we're receiving. Feel this union, this divine union of earth and sky in your heart. Breathe with the earth and sky in your heart. Feel this divine union of your physical and non-physical in your heart. We slow, we soften, we open, we receive. We bring our awareness to hearing the wisdom of our own hearts. We bring our awareness to hearing the whispers that wish to move through us, that wish to come through us, that wish to be known by our awareness. Visualize yourself connected to your wisdom. What does that look like to you to be connected to the whispers of your own wisdom? Perhaps it's asking a question and receiving an answer that you feel aligned with, that you have clarity about. Perhaps it's a visualization of little heart bubbles that float down from source energy into your heart. In this life, we ask to be connected to our wisdom, to our intuition. We ask to be open and receptive to hearing our own inner guidance, to trusting our own inner guidance. So often we hear or receive messages from the outside world. We take those messages in as our own, and sometimes they're not from us. We can take a deep breath And really expand this love bubble around us so we can become aware of messages from the outside that may be trying to get in. We can feel this heart bubble, this divine layer of love. And we can visualize those messages when they come in, whether they're well-intentioned or not. We can see those messages come in, and we don't need to take them as our own. We can allow them to just sit outside of us because we are strengthened by this layer of love that we have chosen to surround ourselves with. We choose. We choose what answers to listen to. We choose what path we take, what choices we make. We stay aligned with our own highest and best. We know that divinity is on our side. We can trust in the presence of the divine in our lives because we practice daily, staying connected, clearing and cleansing our energy, softening and opening. In moments of uncertainty, we come back to this layer of love, to this strong connection with earth and sky. We sit in this beautiful love bubble, and we ask to be open to receiving the messages from our very highest self. Notice your thoughts. What might feel uncertain or confusing to you right now? Identify an area of your life where you feel uncertain or confused. You know that there are ideas and suggestions and information from the outside, and yes, you can hear it and it can be there waiting outside for you to take it in if you choose. You can acknowledge this information and decide what becomes your truth. Let's ask a question and practice. Listening, hearing, opening and trusting the wisdom of our own hearts. When you feel ready, ask your question. Breathe deeply, sit in the silence. Take this question into your heart. Breathe with this question and allow it to fill your layer of love. What wisdom do you hear or feel or sense? We say thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you, Divine Love. Thank you, heart, mind, and body. Thank you, earth and sky. Come back to your fingers. Come back to your feet. Come back to your eyes. Opening your eyes when you feel ready. And find your way toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow your words of wisdom to flow through you onto your paper, to receive insights, knowing, connection with your beautiful self. See you next time.